Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma Khasi Palei pynbna baka Kynhun Myntri jong Sorkar Jylla kala jingmynjur ya Meghalaya Official Language Ordinance araja arpunriu bakan pynkut no ya Meghalaya State Language Act araja san Pynlong ya ktien Khasi bat Garo kumka Official Language Jylla nalor ka English. Hapo kani Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance araja arpunriu kamat bakong san hi kalong banang ni syakmat nalor ka ktien English ktien Khasi bat Garo ru Pynlong no ki official language jong Jylla ni ka ktien bapendan kam daga Sorkar. Habakran cikinong to kubor Myntri Rangbah uloong bakani ka sinjam kanang penyar ya kajing pendan kam ya kini ki artli ki ktien ha kajing penyat kam ka Sorkar bat ka sinchar khadar. Myntri Rangbah upentip baha kapor ke babyang ke Sorkar kan sawanra ru ya kajing pengkelaya ki an ki bayaha bat kani kum ka Meghalaya State Legislature Continuation of the English Language Act shijar kanasba prapong. Ulaong masisin balapin kelaya kani kaan kani kan ailat ya kinong Thaw an ke Jylla bakin kren bat ya tainia hakaktin Khasi bat Garo nalor ke English haki dorbar jong ka ying dorbar Thaw an. Myntri Rangbah ula penyesno ikani ka ordinance bat ka jingdawa balas lembha jong ka Sorkar ban ai jing itu ikaktin Khasi bat Garo haka schedule.
I'm very happy and very pleased to inform our citizens of the state that today the cabinet has made I should say, historic and a very important decision, which will impact uh, the overall functioning as well as opportunities that will open up, especially for the youth of our state, and also help in promoting our languages. Today, the cabinet has decided that the Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026 was passed, and the Meghalaya State Language Act 2005 was repealed. Under the new Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026, the main point is that from now on, apart from English, Khasi and Garo language will also become official language of the state. With this very important and landmark decision, this will facilitate the process of allowing Khasi and Garo language to be used in most of the government communications and also in the due course of time. And when I say due course, I mean very, very shortly. Necessary amendments will be made to relevant acts, namely the Meghalaya State Legislature Continuance of English Language Act 1980. Once amended, will also enable our legislatures to speak in Khasi and Garo and debate in Khasi and Garo language apart from English, even during the assembly sessions. This decision will also pave the way for different important examinations also to be held apart from English in our own local languages, which is Garo and Khasi. This will, of course, not happen, everything will not happen immediately. The process will take some time. Certain decisions will be much more easier to implement immediately. Certain decisions will require logistical setups to be created, manpower to be employed, and different infrastructures to be created, rules to be created. But as I said, the decision today will allow all of these things to fall into place. This also is being done primarily because the resolution to include the Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule was taken by the Assembly. And our government felt very strongly that while we are demanding for 8th schedule, it is important that in our state itself, we must also take necessary steps to make both Khasi and Garo official so that a stronger message can be sent to Government of India and the Parliament and further pave the way for us to be able to expect that both Khasi and Garo language will be also included in the 8th schedule. So this is also one important step towards achieving that particular goal.